So looking to give you a little view of what I have leaving the house in the morning. But don't get any ideas, kids. But I gotta show you what I just heard is something's behind this door. Let me sit down my coffee. Alright. I heard there's something behind this door. Are we ready to look? I'll open it really slowly. Oh boy. Let me see. Do you see anything? Oh my. You guys see what I see? Wow. Good morning, guys. Oh my word. Look at these baby puppies. Oh. What do you want? What do you want? Oh man. Oh, I haven't seen little puppies like this since the farm years ago. Look at that. Oh. What are you guys up to? What do you think, guys? Look pretty cute, huh? Yeah? This one keeps grabbing my string. I don't know if you see that. There's 4 of them. So we started with 0 dogs at the house. Then I came home and we had 1. And now we're up to 4 babies. Well, I mean, who knows? Maybe they're going to start raising dogs on the side or something, right? I mean, these things got to be less than 5 weeks old. Right? Are you all less than 5 weeks old? Alright. I better keep walking. I got to get to work, guys. See you later. Okay. Maybe when I come back after a while, if it's still light out, we'll get to see him a little bit better. I'm thinking 5 weeks old, maybe. It's my guess. So, like I said, wanted to give a little view of me walking. So, where am I walking to? I'm walking straight up there to that tall green building over there, where you can't even see my hand. Gravel road. We do a quick pan here. So the main road goes along that way. So if you were going to come into this plant, you'd come in right down there. Oh, that was really dusty. And we are headed that way down this gravel road. I probably have been drinking more coffee. Well, I guess not probably. I have been drinking more coffee. And this cool insulated mug that I've been borrowing. And yeah, it's been quite a bit of coffee. So we are going to go by a residence here. If you need any parts to maybe 10 different kinds of vehicles, you could get them right there. I'm not sure if it would be a good part or not. And you know what I've noticed here in Alaska is sometimes people start projects and they don't finish them. So a house needs a little bit more metal on its roof, a little more siding, a few windows yet, I think, as well. Yeah, I gotta show you something here. This cool plant here. As I step off the road, try and get it this way, maybe that'll give a better view. So I guess it starts with flowers down here, and when then the flowers start to bloom and they get up here blooming, that's really pointing out that the cannery workers need to get going home. So let me change my view here to see if the sun, which is not been very visible this whole year, there you go. So they start blooming here at the start of salmon season, and then they work their way up. And when they get up to here, then that, you know, you wouldn't even need to know the time of the year. You know, salmon run is over, cannery process is over, and it's time for anybody who's visiting to get home. But hopefully, this is actually a pretty nice day already so far. The one thing when I'm walking here, there's a flag that's up on the pole, and it looks like it might be blowing a little bit this direction. So I'm thinking it's going to be a pretty nice day today. Give another shot. River is along that way. What river? Naknak River flows along that way. Naknak Lake is up there. Remember, Naknak Lake is where I was on Saturday, up on Brooks River, Brooks Falls, and at the park. Saw the bears up there. I guess mentioning bears, you know, when I started back here, all the way back in late June, mid to late June, these fields here were all white. And the whiter they are, they say the more salmon there should be available for you. And for some people that really was true. Now for some people who maybe just stayed in Naknak, it actually was not a very good year for them. It really depended on where you put your net, and you maybe were guessing at that at most too. Some people also said maybe the fish are just getting smarter. And like, example, I don't know, 4 or 5 days ago, there was a few planes that happened to fly over and like, yeah, there's a lot of jumpers coming up into the district. Well, hardly anyone got any of those fish. All of a sudden, they're like, well, they're all up the river. They're like, well, how did nobody get them? Well, there's not as many boats, of course. Maybe they swam deeper. And just, you know, maybe your net was not in the correct spot, I guess. And I was going to say too, I have not seen any bears as I've been walking here. And, right, so see, right there, there's the green building flag. And it's my, look, I'm getting closer. I guess this years back, before she had bought this, it was like a garage. Then she had to convert it over, and now it's really converted over into not really a fish processing plant. It's more of a fish smoking / fishermen pick up your boxes that you're going to take on the flight to, if a box is going to go out of king salmon, it's probably going to come here. And then she'll put the plastic wrap around the box so the box doesn't open, and then they'll load it up. Here's our view. It's like a lane coming down. Car that just went by. There's another residency right on the right up here. And see, if you look back, It's the second house down there. That's where I just walked from. Let me switch arms here. And what did I say in there? Oh yeah, second residency. Say this old garage. Oh yeah, processing. So now it's really the smoking / burger area and pickup area. Take the airport area. Anything that's going to go on the barge, that just stays in the reefer at the other end, you know, towards town where she's leasing that right now. And it just works better that way. By the way, a lot of potholes. Potholes everywhere. And here I am. Last 2 mornings actually I have turned on the lights. We'll see if that's the case this morning. Check this out. This is on top of here, so that way the bears can't get in. These are the fish that are thawing for us this morning. And the garage door is still open, down. Smoker in here. Here's our cart rolls in there, it's still going. Numbers are on the other side here. It's like 5, I would say that means 5 hours are left, or 5 hours have gone in out of the 8 hours. I'm thinking 5 hours are still left. And then here's where she does her packing up in here. And then here is the reefer freezer system that's all in here. So big quantities that would be going to the airport would go here. And then this is what she has at the other end too, that would go on the barge. So at the moment she's already shipped out 4 of these on the barges, and that's how ours is going down to Seattle. Carts to house the hamburger, and if someone brings in some headed and gutted or home packs that we got to do up, they'll go on the trays. And then this guy here is the flash freezer. This guy right here is the flash freezer for that as well. But I think it's time for me to go in there and open up the garage door. And by the way, this machine right here, I've drove him a few times now. I actually brought this over last night, put the water in. So, got to get it cruising. Not sure how many helpers I'm going to have today. And yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, do so. Share with your friends and neighbors of just some great products that are coming here from Alaska, and what we might be offering at our acres that we're working on there in Wisconsin. So God bless your day.